Top 4 best high-protein foods to repair muscles fast. What? What if I told you that the reason your muscles aren't getting stronger has nothing to do with how hard you work out? Here's the truth. Your muscles don't grow while you're exercising. They grow afterward, when your body repairs tiny tears in your muscle fibers. But if you aren't eating the right high-protein foods, that repair process slows down. Your muscles recover more slowly, you lose strength over time, and everyday tasks become harder, especially after the age of 60. The good news? You don't need expensive protein powders or fancy supplements. Some of the most powerful muscle repair foods are sitting in your local grocery store right now. They can provide your body with the high-quality protein and nutrients it needs to rebuild muscle, support recovery, and help you stay strong as you age. By the end of this video, you'll discover the top 4 best high-protein foods that naturally support muscle repair and recovery. Make sure you stay until number 1, because it's considered one of the highest quality protein sources for rebuilding muscle, yet many people don't eat enough of it. Number 1. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is one of the most powerful foods you can eat if your goal is to repair muscles faster and maintain strength as you get older. Many people believe that building muscle is all about lifting heavier weights or spending more time in the gym. But the truth is that your muscles don't actually grow during exercise. Every workout creates tiny tears in your muscle fibers, and it's during recovery that your body repairs those fibers, making them stronger than before. Without enough high-quality protein, this repair process slows down, leaving your muscles sore for longer and making it more difficult to build or maintain lean muscle mass. One of the biggest reasons turkey breast ranks at the top of this list is its outstanding protein quality. A 100-gram serving provides around 30 grams of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Among these amino acids is leucine, one of the most important nutrients for muscle protein synthesis. This is the natural process your body uses to repair damaged muscle fibers after physical activity and support new muscle growth. Getting enough leucine after exercise can help maximize your recovery and support long-term muscle health. Another major advantage of turkey breast is that it delivers this impressive amount of protein while remaining naturally low in saturated fat. That means you can fuel your muscles without consuming unnecessary, unhealthy fats. Turkey breast is also rich in vitamin B6, niacin, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc, nutrients that help convert food into energy, support immune function, promote tissue repair, and keep your muscles working properly. Vitamin B6 is especially important because it helps your body efficiently use the protein you eat, allowing you to get the most out of every meal. Turkey breast is also incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. You can grill it, bake it, roast it, or slice it into salads, wraps, sandwiches, soups, and grain bowls. Pairing it with vegetables and whole grains creates a balanced meal that provides protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals to support recovery after exercise. For adults over 60, regularly including lean protein sources like turkey breast can help slow age-related muscle loss, improve strength, support mobility, and make everyday activities easier while helping you stay active and independent for years to come. Number 2. Tuna. Tuna is much more than just a convenient seafood option. It's one of the best high-protein foods you can include in your diet if your goal is to repair muscles faster, improve recovery, and maintain strength as you age. Many people don't realize that after every workout, or even after everyday physical activities like walking, climbing stairs, or gardening, your muscles experience tiny amounts of wear and tear. This is a completely natural process, but your body needs a steady supply of high-quality protein to repair those muscle fibers efficiently. Without enough protein, recovery slows down, muscles remain sore for longer, and over time you may begin to lose muscle mass, especially after the age of 60. One of the biggest reasons tuna stands out is its impressive protein content. A single 100-gram serving provides approximately 25 to 30 grams of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. These amino acids work together to repair damaged muscle tissue, support muscle protein synthesis, and help preserve lean muscle mass. Tuna is also naturally rich in leucine, one of the key amino acids responsible for activating the muscle-building process after exercise. This makes tuna an excellent choice for post-workout meals or as part of a protein-rich lunch or dinner. Beyond its high-quality protein, tuna is packed with important nutrients that support overall muscle health. It provides vitamin D, which plays a role in normal muscle function and bone health. Vitamin B12, which helps your body produce energy and healthy red blood cells. And selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from oxidative stress. Tuna also contains omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that may help support normal muscle recovery after exercise and contribute to heart health. These nutrients work together to support your body's natural recovery process and help keep your muscles functioning at their best. Another advantage of tuna is its convenience and versatility. Whether you choose fresh tuna steaks or canned tuna packed in water, it's an easy way to increase your daily protein intake without spending hours in the kitchen. You can add tuna to salads, whole grain sandwiches, wraps, pasta dishes, or enjoy it alongside vegetables and brown rice for a balanced meal. Because some varieties of tuna contain higher levels of mercury, it's a good idea to enjoy it in moderation and include a variety of other protein-rich seafood in your diet to support long-term muscle health and overall well-being. Number 3. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is one of the most underrated foods for muscle repair, yet it provides some of the best nutrition your muscles need to recover and grow stronger. Many people focus on getting enough protein immediately after a workout, but they often forget that muscle repair continues for many hours afterward, especially while you're sleeping. During the night, your body works hard to repair tiny muscle fibers damaged during exercise, replace worn-out proteins, and prepare your muscles for the next day. Giving your body the right nutrients before bed can make a real difference in supporting this natural recovery process. One of the reasons cottage cheese is so effective is because it contains casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually into your bloodstream over several hours. Unlike fast-digesting proteins that provide a quick burst of amino acids, casein delivers a steady supply throughout the night. This helps provide your muscles with a continuous source of the building blocks they need for repair while you sleep. A single cup of low-fat cottage cheese provides approximately 25 to 28 grams of high-quality protein, including all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source that supports muscle maintenance and recovery. Cottage cheese also contains several important vitamins and minerals that contribute to healthy muscles. It is rich in calcium, which plays an essential role in normal muscle contraction and healthy bones. It also provides phosphorus, which works together with calcium to support strong bones while helping your body produce and store energy. In addition, cottage cheese contains vitamin B12, which helps your body produce healthy red blood cells and convert food into usable energy, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress caused by intense physical activity. These nutrients work together to support overall muscle function and recovery. Another advantage of cottage cheese is its versatility and convenience. It can be enjoyed on its own or combined with fresh berries, sliced bananas, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey for a balanced, protein-rich snack. It also works well in smoothies, whole grain toast, salads, or healthy breakfast bowls. Because it is naturally filling, cottage cheese may also help control hunger between meals, making it easier to meet your daily protein needs without relying on processed snacks. Regularly including cottage cheese as part of a balanced diet can help support muscle repair, maintain lean muscle mass, improve recovery after exercise, and promote strength and mobility as you age. Number 4. Lentils. Lentils may not be the first food that comes to mind when you think about building or repairing muscles, but they are one of the most nutritious plant-based protein sources you can add to your diet. Many people believe you need expensive protein powders or large amounts of meat to support muscle recovery, but that's not always true. Lentils provide an impressive combination of protein, complex carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that work together to help your body recover after physical activity. Whether you exercise regularly or simply want to maintain muscle strength as you age, lentils can be a smart and affordable addition to your meals. One cooked cup of lentils contains around 18 grams of plant-based protein, making them one of the richest protein sources among legumes. Although plant proteins naturally contain lower amounts of certain essential amino acids than animal proteins, lentils still provide valuable amino acids that contribute to muscle repair and maintenance. When paired with whole grains such as brown rice, whole wheat bread, or quinoa, lentils create a more complete protein profile that supports healthy muscle function. This makes them an excellent choice for people who want to reduce their meat intake while still meeting their daily protein needs. Lentils are also packed with nutrients that support overall muscle health. They are an excellent source of iron, a mineral that helps transport oxygen through your bloodstream to working muscles. Without enough iron, muscles may tire more quickly, and recovery after exercise can become more difficult. Lentils also provide magnesium, which supports normal muscle contraction and relaxation, along with potassium, an important electrolyte that helps maintain proper muscle and nerve function. In addition, they are rich in folate, a B vitamin that plays a role in producing healthy red blood cells and supporting normal cell growth throughout the body. Another major benefit of lentils is their high fiber content. Fiber helps support healthy digestion, promotes steady blood sugar levels, and provides a more consistent source of energy throughout the day. This steady energy can be especially helpful before or after physical activity, helping your body perform and recover more efficiently. Lentils are also naturally low in saturated fat, budget-friendly, and incredibly versatile. They can be added to soups, stews, curries, salads, casseroles, or served as a side dish with vegetables and whole grains. Regularly including lentils in a balanced diet can help support muscle repair, maintain lean muscle mass, improve recovery after exercise, and contribute to long-term strength, endurance, and overall health.